Hi guys, so I'm here doing the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette giveaway. It feels like it was forever ago, but it's time. So I've already loaded the URL into the random comment picker. Nope. Oh, this says I want to let someone else win this one. I got that, Jacqueline. I wish luck to all others who enter. Oh, that's really sweet. So nope would have won, but since her comment says let someone else win, that's what I'm gonna do. So whoever wins, thank nope. I would literally love to try this palette. So Draggy Frischer, you are the winner. I'm gonna contact you via email, so congratulations. And I'll be posting this on Instagram as well, but congrats, and make sure to leave nope a comment that thank you, because she would have won. So yeah, congratulations. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Good morning. It's about to rain here, so it's not very bright, and if the lighting looks weird, that's why. I have like half a light on me, so I kind of wanted to start this video out a little different, since obviously we're all going through this weird virus time together. I thought I would bring out my little oracle cards that I have. I am not a tarot card reader. I have no idea, but I just like to play with the cards. And these cards in particular, when you pull a card, it has a journal entry that matches it. So I thought I could pull a card, and if you want to do the journal entry, you can, but I just thought it might be like a little activity for your day, and I'll put the question for the journal entry in the description, so you don't have to like keep replaying the video. But I'm just gonna pull a card and kind of read the description, show it to you guys, and tell you what the journal entry is, and I'll do it with you guys too. So yeah, I just thought if there's some little distraction for your day or something that you can, you know, reflect on that doesn't include, you know, being scared you don't have toilet paper, I feel like this is a positive thing. So yeah, feel free to participate. If you don't want to participate, I'll leave a timestamp down below as to when the BOXYCHARM unopening starts. So okay, this is gonna be our card, and it says meditation, which is probably a good card for everybody right now. Meditating, I know it seems kind of like a foreign thing, but if you kind of just sit with yourself in the quiet, it's really difficult, I'm not gonna lie. But you do feel really relaxed after, so you can find even like 10 or 15 minutes to do that. It really helps. So the journal entry for this meditation card says, for 3 days, write down or draw different ways you can meditate. That's it. That's all the journal entry is. So for 3 days, write down or draw 3 different ways you can meditate. So I will be doing this, and then I will probably, I don't know if I'll show you guys in the next video or what I'm gonna do, obviously, because that's new to me. So okay, so like I said earlier, today's video is the March BOXYCHARM unboxing. I got it here. I also Lysoled this box when I got it. I got it about a week ago, so I know there's been BOXYCHARM videos already that have come out, but I didn't do mine for the sake of trying to keep things safe. Ooh, I wanna open this first. So last month, I know I got an email saying what the values of the stuff in the box were, and this month I didn't see that email, so I thought for sure there was gonna be a card in here this time, but there's not. So let me look for the email so I can tell you guys what all this stuff is. So I could not find the email, so I don't know if this time they didn't even send me an email with the prices, but I did go on the website and it says previous boxes, and then it lists all the options you could have been sent in this month's box. So this here, this is the first on that list, so that's just why I'm showing you this first, so I don't see the prices of the other stuff. But it says this is $49, and this is made by Hank and Henry, which I've never heard of, but it's called Living in Color Palette. It looks super cute. It's so cute. It's like really colorful and kind of like graffiti-esque. Oh, look at, that's so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna open this so that I can send this to one of you guys, but it has all the shades in the back, and it looks like there's like 2 pinks, 2 purples, 2 bronzy neutral colors, and 3 different blues. But yeah, this is really, really cute. So I'm definitely going to be sending this to one of you guys. I've been saving a bunch of my BOXYCHARM things, so I'm gonna do like one massive giveaway. So these are the, I know you can't really see, oh there's a good, it's like you can't really see the colors. But those are the colors in this little palette. So I'm gonna put it back in its box here. That's a good start from last month where it was just all skin products and boring, but I'm not gonna use this, so you guys can, I can give it to you guys. So the next thing in here I just grabbed called Project Beauty Hair Girt, and it's in the flavor, I don't know if you should say flavors or like scent with these things, because you're not gonna eat it, but I just don't know. It's almond honey, and it says intensive repair yogurt hair mask with prebiotic quinoa and super botanical for hair, beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. And it says it helps repairs damaged, fragile and brittle hair. This seems like a good product. I don't, oh, it's sealed. I'm trying to smell it and I can't. Maybe I'll add this one to the giveaway too. I already have a hair mask, and the shampoo, the Love Hair shampoo that I'm still using is really good. So this is, the next thing in here is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Oh, it says step 3, so obviously there's supposed to be 2 other steps that are not in this box. It says to use AM and PM gently pat around the eye area. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract. Seal and moisturize. Help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. Okay, I think I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna put it around my eyes. And I have sensitive skin, so this better not be lying. This is what the little tub looks like. So I'm just gonna take some on my finger, since I just woke up a little while ago, so I could afford some eye moisturizing. I have a couple empty bottles that I've been using that I want to do like an empty bottle video, so that should be coming soon. Well, not that soon, probably in a couple weeks, because I want to make sure they're really empty. Feels really nice. Feels very moisturizing, which is nice. Just like, what does it smell like? It doesn't really have a scent. It just smells like basic face cream, almost like sunscreen. It's kind of, that's what it smells like. It smells like sunscreen, so there's no cute scent with that, so let's see how my face reacts to this. Okay, and the next thing, and I know Murad products are on the pricier side, so I'm assuming that this thing is probably like at least 50 bucks, even though it's very small. I've never used a Murad product before, but you know, when you go in Ulta and you're looking for skincare stuff, it's in there. So this Next thing is from Pharmacy is the name brand. I've never heard of this. It says limited edition, made exclusively for BOXYCHARM. Ooh! It says very cherry clean, makeup melt away cleansing balm. Oh, I've never used one of these. I already have so many makeup wipes. I think I'm gonna add this to the giveaway too, but I've always wanted to use a makeup removing balm. I've watched a lot of, I think it's Patrick Star that always uses the Clinique one, and he just like rubs it in and then his face just melts away. But I am going to send this to one of you guys. So there's 3 more products, and the last thing I have in here is Vintage by Jessica Liebeskin. I do not know who this is, but it's a really cute like pink gloss, it looks like. There's absolutely no other description on here, but it looks really cute. I won't open this either. I'll also add this to the giveaway. So let's see what all these items cost. Like other than the Murad, none of these things are brands I've ever heard of, so I can't imagine they're that expensive. Oh yeah, I was right. So the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizing Eyes is $70. This is why I see these things and I never purchase them because it's so much money. So this little tiny thing is 70 bucks. So the Living in Color Hank and Henry palette, the eyeshadow palette, is $27. The makeup removing balm is $34. That's kind of, I feel like that's kind of expensive for something I've never heard of. Oh, I could have got a NARS lipstick. Why did they send NARS lipstick? So this Jessica Liebeskin, Liba whatever, lip gloss, sparkling lip gloss in pink is $25. That's also like semi-ridiculous for something I've never heard of before. It says, give lips a beautiful glittery glow with Jessica's sparkling lip formula. The sheer reflective formula provides a luminous shine and sophisticated shimmer in an easy-to-use wand and brush applicator. Wear it alone or with your favorite lip color. Oh, so I don't understand when people do reviews, so it shows the reviews for this product, and somebody put, this is just meh, and gave it 5 stars, and then somebody else put, this is okay, but I wouldn't buy it again. It was 5 stars. And then somebody else said, not my thing, but I gave it to my daughter and she loves it. Kind of disappointed, too sticky. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna send this to you guys because it doesn't seem like a very good product. So that one is just going to be recycled, I presume, because I don't want to send you guys shitty things. I've already had 2 offers for sponsored things that I don't use. So I'm like, no, I'm not gonna put that on my channel to have you guys purchase something that I don't use or have any knowledge of. Yeah, I'm not gonna send you that. The reviews looked really shitty. And then this hair girt, oh, like yogurt. Hair girt is $10, this hair mask. So I'm gonna add these 3 things to the giveaway. I'm gonna add up the things in the box to see how much this box was valued at. The hair girt was $10, lip gloss was $25, and because that thing has shitty reviews, I'm surprised it's that much money. The makeup removing balm is 34 bucks, and the eyeshadow palette was $27, and the skin cream stuff was $70. Total comes to $166 even. And like I've said in all the other videos, I paid $25 for this, so I really think it's a good value, and especially because it's like a little treat every month that you get to have. I don't know if they're gonna keep sending these out because of the current state of things, but I did prepay for an entire year, so I hope they decide to keep sending these out. And this eyeshadow palette, as well as the makeup balm and the hair mask, are going to be saved for you guys for a giveaway. Those will go with all the other products I've been saving from the BOXYCHARMs for giveaways. And yeah, let me know if you want me to keep doing the little journal entry, pull a card for you guys, just to get your mind off things. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I didn't put any makeup on my face. I don't want to use the eyeshadow, I want to give it to you guys. So this video is gonna end the same way it started, with me with no makeup. So I love you guys. Please stay safe. Please remember there are other people in your cities, towns, neighborhoods that also need things at the grocery store. So be nice and kind, and you know, leave some toilet paper for somebody else, because people need it. And I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.